According to Lubna Rahman from The Strategist, Fiji struggled to deliver routine health services throughout the COVID-19 pandemic because access to medical centers for non-COVID patients was restricted. Rahman claimed health practitioners dealt with a lack of protective equipment, overcrowding at medical centers, and the decentralization of COVID testing initiated by the government. Rahman believes these issues illuminated by the pandemic revealed a need to invest in technology in the medical center, particularly through telemedicine, to manage medical services more efficiently. According to the Fiji Times, in March, a former medical student at the Fiji National University, Rakeen Wahed, developed an app to connect the public to medical resources called Pacifica Heartbeat. In creating this, Wahed received membership to the Fijian government's Young Entrepreneurship Scheme. According to the Fiji Times, the Ministry for Commerce, Trade, Tourism, and Transport contributed $12,000 to the app's execution online. The minister commended Wahed for allowing Fijians to adapt to the digital age through his app and feels proud of Fijian youth succeeding in their business ventures. Minister Koya believes the app demonstrates how Fijian youth are a part of the solution by bridging the information gap through entrepreneurship. The Pacifica Heartbeat app could reach out to an MTA Visions senior advisor who could create public-private partnership between the company, private healthcare facilities, and the Fijian government to increase access to online health services for remote communities. MTA Visions could create a telehealth project offering more virtual doctor's appointments using the resources from the app and the private healthcare facilities. MTA Visions could also help the Pacificus Network in their next entrepreneurial venture to transform the health system in Fiji by accessing funding from bank stakeholders and meeting with government officials to acquire the necessary policy contracts for working with public healthcare facilities. The Ministry for Commerce, Trade, Tourism, and Transport could reach out to MTA Vision Senior Advisor for technical assistance in increasing Fijian access to online platforms. The Pacifica Heartbeat app helps increase accessibility for people, but only for those who have access to mobile applications and consistent internet access. MTA Visions could create budget proposals and work with civil society organizations to determine where in Fiji people have the least internet access. MTA Visions create a public-private partnership between the ministry and broadband providers to offer low-cost broadband for those in remote places. Thank you for listening to this brief on youth entrepreneurship in the healthcare sector in Fiji, powered by MTA Visions. MTA Visions is a global corporate social responsibility and government relations firm based in Washington, D.C. that helps its clients move to champion profit with purpose, amplify impact both locally and globally, and protect clean interests in sovereign states and all levels of the U.S. government. To connect with a member of the MTA Visions team, send an email to info@mtavisions.com.